today, peeps. It is a Saturday, it's a cold Saturday morning on the Mornington Peninsula. I'm going to do a bit of an upgrade. We're going to upgrade today the standard jockey wheel and legs for this thing. They're currently the ALKO ones, but we've gone and got the BOS upgrade ones, so I'll give you a show of them right now. Let's unbox one of these. 2 legs, short plates, 2 extensions, the little locating pin or the wind up, wind down. Then is leg, which you see how super well packed in. Now be careful, there's a little locating pin in here, you don't want to lose that. So that little pin holds the handle in place on here. So make sure you get it the right way around, not BOS upside down. Put that in. It's as simple as putting that over there, popping that little pin in. Bang, that's it, the handle's on. That's pretty smart. Foot plate and locating pin. Let's go and bolt this on the caravan. Them are the ones that we're moving, and it is dead set. Pull those 2 out, put the other ones in, and away you go. I'll show you on a video. 17mm spanner. I only have one, so I'm going to have to use an adjustable. Pull the old one off, put the new one on, which is not here, I've left it over there. Alright, I'm back. Just marry up with here. Get one in. See, it's that easy. I didn't even look at that side. Oh, so you can see what I'm doing on this side. Let's go camera. Let's see what I'm doing here. I'm just tightening up the nylocks. Alright, there you go, 4 corners, and then we're done. So this was pulled to the back here. What I think is it ruins the ground clearance. And we have it up here, we've got ground clearance here, so I think I always have mine swinging forward. Plate goes through. Simple as that. My guess is switch that up there. There's the foot out of the way. Now they come with these extensions, so if you do need more length, you've got these to put on afterwards. That's pretty cool. Let's test them. Now, one of the first things that BOS tell you is, in the old legs, I was actually using this rattle gun to get them up and down. But in these things, they warn you against it. You must not use that. You've got to use a clutch drill. And they give you a little device for each one of these. Now, I don't know what clutch setting to go on, so I'm just going to go a medium one. I don't think it should be full. So that's my clutch, is burning out there. But it's definitely taking the load up there. I don't know if you saw that, but it's certainly lifting up the caravan with ease. That is so simple. Again, we want to come down. I hope you can see that on the camera. That is effortless. And with my little battery operated Ryobi's, bring it all the way in. Let's bring it all the way in. It's no longer on that. I'm going to slow it down because it comes to the end. It is. Pop that. Slim it up. Oh my gosh. Now what I've just noticed is that, so probably I've wound it in too much. probably a good idea to have a bit of flexibility. And there it is. In. That is one installed and tested in under a couple of minutes. How cool is that? The whole story is that these as well, if you did have a puncture or you had to lift your caravan up, doing these alternate front and back, you can actually lift this side of the caravan up and change your wheel. I've got a bottle jack for that, but you could ditch the bottle jack and save some weight and just use these. Hopefully I don't have to do that, but you never know what goes to happen. Alrighty, how simple is that? BOS jockey wheels, BOS legs. So far, so good. Okay, within half an hour on a dreary, cold, wet Mornington Peninsula rainy day, they're on. Here we go. Pretty good. They're on. They look pretty damn cool. Oh, and by the way, we've also got the jockey wheel, which I will do in a moment. But they're on. They look cool. One of the things I am curious about when I'm doing all this is what are the weight savings or not, as the case may be, when you go from one product to another. So what I've got is the old one here, which is the ALKO. So that is claiming to be 2.3 kilos. And this one is 2.6, so 300 grams more. 300 grams, 3,696. Putting an extra 1.2 kilos on the caravan. We also went with the jockey wheel, or I mean, you can't call it a wheel, it's got a foot on it, but I think you can get a wheel. We've decided not to go for the wheel. So we're replacing the standard ALKO one. So let's get the weights going again. That's reading 3 kilograms. It feels lighter already. I don't know how much lighter it is. Oh, yep, setting at 2.2. That's an 800 gram saving benefit. So this thing, 800 grams less. That's saving us 800 grams on there. The legs, as I told you, are adding an extra 1.2 kilograms. So we've got a net gain of 400 grams. 400 grams. Now, as I mentioned, if I did want to, I could ditch the bottle jack. That to me is a saving of what, 5-10 kilos on a bottle jack, because them things are quite heavy. All right, let's get this thing on and we're gonna go camping and we're gonna test it.